Hello, I'm Kyle O'Shea, Senior Product Manager at TileDB, the database designed for discovery. If you're a scientist working with multimodal data, you're probably dealing with some form of data chaos. When you find yourself spending more time retrieving data from a database and restructuring it than the time you're spending on analyzing that data, you know you have a problem. Thousands of your files, including genomics data, assay and raw sequencing data, pipeline outputs, research papers, and more, scattered across storage systems, often unorganized with inconsistent naming and no unified metadata. Finding the right dataset often means navigating complex directory structures, writing custom scripts, or trying to remember where you put that file from last month. In minutes, TileDB Carrara transforms this chaos into unified data that you can begin to work with. With Carrara's Teamspaces and folders, all your scattered files become organized, searchable assets in a logical hierarchy that you can control with built-in previews. Every file can also be enriched with searchable metadata, which can include important properties such as sample information, experimental conditions, and quality metrics, making discovery so much easier. What used to require complex file navigation can now be handled in one place. Browse, preview, and with TileDB's notebooks, query your data directly from Carrara's unified interface. For example, you can load single-cell output files into a notebook and convert them to structured TileDB Soma assets optimized for storage and query performance. Your workspace is mounted as a local file system on launch time, so you can reference your files per their catalog location. You don't need to download them to run the conversion. So you can go from raw file input to structured analysis-ready data with TileDB so much faster, computed inside of a hosted notebook environment which contain all the libraries you need on pre-built images, all of this on a single platform. Your entire team can work with the same organized, governed data catalog. No more asking which version is the latest or where did you put that file. From file chaos to unified data discovery, from hours of searching to only minutes to find the files and the insights that you want. This is scientific data reimagined. If you're ready to transform your data chaos, talk to us about TileDB Carrara today.